Hi, we're in Brooklyn, New York today. We are gonna go do a quick hike. It's a couple-hour hike. It's called Peaks of Prospect Park. We're super excited. It's rated moderate, and we're excited to see the sights. Okay, we're about to hit one of the peaks in this park. It's not much of a peak. I think it's like 300 feet up. But it's still beautiful out here, and it's a nice place for all these people to escape the city and get some nature and a little exercise in. It's heavily trafficked. A lot of people out here today, so it's been a lot of fun. Okay, we're at the highest peak of Prospect Park. It's kind of hard to see, but there is a view, but there's so many trees, it's hard to see everything, but it's beautiful up here. Okay, we just finished our 5-mile stroll. I wouldn't call it a hike. It was a stroll through Prospect Park, and it's been really pretty. Lots of signs of spring. I wish I'd be here in a month to be able to see all this stuff start to pop open, all the leaves on the trees, and tons of flowers that are ready to open up with new buds. So if you're here, come check it out. It's a fun place to come when you're here in a big city like this and get a quick break. Now, back to the subway. See you next time.